Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers and that you have 200 plus MB free. This avoids failures mid-process. Next, download a trusted live wallpaper app or launcher, because quality tools handle codecs and permissions correctly. Then acquire a high-quality Dhoni clip, 720p to 1080p, so the image isn't blurry. You want smooth motion. Once done, move that file to an easy folder. This makes the next steps faster and prevents accidental format error. You now import the Dhoni clip into the app and select the correct crop, landscape or 16:9, so key visuals aren't cut off. Trim to 5 to 15 seconds and enable looping. This keeps the animation seamless without wasting space. Make sure to disable audio, because sound drains battery and isn't needed for wallpapers. Then, adjust resolution and frame rate to 30 FPS to balance smoothness with power use. Once configured, preview to confirm motion and framing are perfect. You finish by applying the configured Dhoni Live Wallpaper to home and lock screens, and then test the animation and auto-rotate so everything behaves as expected. Make sure to whitelist the wallpaper app from battery optimization settings, otherwise the system may suspend animation to save power. If the wallpaper appears static, clear the app cache, confirm storage and drawover permissions, and, if needed, reinstall the app. This usually fixes codec, permission, or background scheduling issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.